Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So I just made my first $100 in the Amazon affiliate program. If you're unfamiliar with this program, basically any social media influencer could apply with one of their social media platforms. So you could use like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, one of those platforms, and attempt to sign up for an account. And after you sign up for an account, then you could get approved for something that's called on-site commissions. And you basically have to submit 3 videos, and Amazon looks at all the videos, and then you could go through 3 rounds. You have 3 chances to get approved, and if you don't get approved in those 3 attempts, then you have to sign up all over again with a different social media profile. I got approved on my 3rd attempt towards the end of November, and since then I have actually made $100. So it's pretty awesome. So when you get approved for on-site commissions, the Amazon review videos that you posted on Amazon could actually go on product pages. So say for example, you're looking for a pillow and you're scrolling through pictures of the pillow, then you could potentially see an Amazon influencer video on there. And if you watch one of the videos and you decide, okay, I'll buy this pillow, then that influencer gets a commission. And commissions range in percentages between like, I think 1 and 4%, depending on the category. So this has got to be one of the easiest programs to actually make money with. I mean, after you get approved, it's pretty easy. So let me show you guys how much I made in my first 3 weeks. So Amazon actually does not like us sharing the dashboard. So I'm going to show you guys rough numbers, just going to round up or down depending on the number. However, I will show you the exact amount of videos that I've produced. So in week 1, I went pretty hard and I was able to produce 32 videos. And with those 32 videos, I was able to generate around 400 clicks, so 400 views. And from those 400 views, I was able to get about 20 sales. And from those 20 sales, I was able to earn the commission of about $16. So not bad, just getting started. And the idea of it is like you have to build up your library of reviews. That way you have more chances of people buying one of the products that you've actually reviewed. So starting off week 1, my commission was $16. Okay, so week number 2, I created 32 more videos. So at this point in total, I have 63 videos on my Amazon store, and those 60 videos generated 520 clicks. So not much more than week 1, but still getting a decent amount of clicks and views. And of those 500 clicks, I was able to generate 60 sales. So 3x times the amount of sales that I got in week 1, which is pretty awesome. And which means, let's see what the commission is. Commission for week 2 is $49. So I was able to make almost $50 for this thing that I just started like 2 weeks prior, which is just fascinating to me because my next good side hustle is YouTube, and it takes forever to get started unless you just blow up, but it can take a while. But the fact that I was able to make let's see, total like $65 in just 2 weeks of something I started online, pretty awesome. Okay, so going to week 3, how many videos did I make? I made 33 more videos. So at this point, I'm at 96 videos total in my library, so almost 100. And of those 90 videos, I was able to generate 1,000 clicks. So 1,000 clicks, 1,000 views, awesome. 1,000 chances of someone to actually, purchase a product and me actually earning that commission. So of those 1,000 clicks, how many sales was I able to actually get? 100 sales. So that is just fantastic. Now you look at these numbers and you think, oh man, his commission must be like, double the amount that he made in week 2. But in actuality, commission for week 3 actually less than week 2. Now I actually had like a bigger ticket item sold, I think in week 2, if I remember correctly. And a lot of the products that sold in week 3 or like lower dollar amounts. And like I said earlier, like your products can range in commission percentages between like 1 and I think 4% is the highest. So a lot of items must have sold for like less than like 20 or 30 cents earned per product, which is why I was able to just only generate $47 for that week. But still awesome. Love seeing the sales. I don't care what percentage or what amount I'm getting. The fact that I'm getting anything from this at all is pretty fantastic. So out of 3 weeks, what did I earn in total? $112. So $112 for something, like I said, I just started. I'm very excited for what the future holds for me and this channel in terms of with this program. I'm going to be diving in pretty deep. At this point, for week 4, I'm kind of focusing on the actual product themselves and like trying to do more research. Like, oh, should I actually go out and purchase this product, or should I just really focus on this? I now have extensions downloaded on Google Chrome to help me do research. So hopefully I'll be able to scale this up and make a lot more commissions. So as I'm going through this process, I'm going to be documenting this and probably giving you guys like weekly updates. I'll also post a couple shorts about it in addition to monthly updates. So if you enjoy the idea of this series and this program, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.